Finding the perfect toys for boys aged 5 years can be challenging, but the right toy can stimulate creativity, develop essential skills, and provide endless fun. From interactive science kits to musical instruments and imaginative train sets, here are 3 top-rated options to consider. Key features to consider when buying toys for boys, 5-year-olds. Educational value: choose toys that promote STEM learning, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Durability and safety: ensure toys are made from non-toxic, child-safe materials that withstand rough play. Engagement level: select toys with interactive features like lights, sounds, or moving parts to keep kids entertained. Ease of use: look for toys that are easy to assemble and use, encouraging independent play. Age appropriateness: ensure the toy is designed for 5-year-olds, balancing fun with learning. Thank you for watching this video and hope you found it useful. Subscribe to us for more parenting tips and discovering best products to buy for your child.